Hi everyone, good morning. Welcome to Connect Thrive Technologies. So first of all, happy Dasra to everyone. So there is a quick update regarding Oracle Fusion Financials freshers position on EBS as well as Fusion Cloud. Okay, so these are the top 20 MNC companies which they are offering as a Oracle Fusion Financial position as a freshers. So let me call out by a name. So Transformage Enterprise Service Private Limited, Nailsoft, Winfo Solutions, Apps Associates, Mastech, Evosys, Catalyst, KPMG Technologies, Infosys Limited, Deloitte, Oracle India, TCS, Capgemini, Wipro Limited, Providency Global Center, Foro Apps, Chainsys India Private Limited, Genesis Group, Invi Solutions, Breeze Dance Software, Altus Solutions. Okay. So these are the companies recently from the past 1 week. I'm seeing the lot of mail communications Oracle in Oracle community groups. So we'll get to know that there are a lot of openings on Oracle Fusion Financials as a freshers. Okay, if you guys complete the Oracle Fusion Financials training with the completion of all your base model like general ledger, accounts payable, accounts receivable, fixed assets, cash management. If you know the P2P, it's a very add-on to your CV. So, okay, once you complete all your base course, if you know the basic functionalities of all models with a definition, some navigations along with the task name, setup names, and at the same time, if you know the accounting entries also for a P2P as well as AP level, AR level, in fixed assets level. So it's a very add-on to your resume as well as your profile. So, and you can send you can apply a position for these companies. So then after that, HR will call you and they will send a link to provide your basic information about the position. Then they will conduct the L1 discussion. So it may take 30 to maybe 20 to 30 minutes. So after completion of L1 interview, so they will conduct L2. So then after that, they are going to place you in as a freshers position. So these are the very good companies. So try to apply for the position. So definitely you will get a call. Definitely you will be placed in these companies. Yeah. So this is all about for today concept. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.